Yeah, good morning. I'm Dr. Smita Agrawal. Most of you must have heard my name, Dr. Smita Agrawal, in WhatsApp groups. So many times I've been messaging and telling about the various aspects of the school, sending notices, sending information as to what you have to do, what you have not to do, the protocols, everything I've been setting. And I have been relating to all your problems. Most of your parents have been calling me about their problems and I've been resolving them. So, do you want to know how I came into Billabong? It was like 9 years ago when I was in when I was a doctor. I had just come out of my medical college, and my nephew had just joined in the school in grade 1 in Billabong. So I'd heard a lot about the school, and I just wanted to try as to what they say, that it is an hands-on learning, practical way of learning, experiential way of learning. So a lot of curiosity, arose in me, and out of that curiosity, I just volunteered to work in school as a teacher. So I started with a lot many things. I started with the administration work. I started doing the reading program wherein the small children of kindergarten used to be there, and I used to enjoy a lot telling them the skills, teaching them the skills rather, as to how to read the storybooks and how to go about with those colorful books, as to how they have to read. And I used to give them stickers, badges. So when I just started working in school, it drew me very close to the school, to the management, Preeti ma'am, and Mrs. Uma Agrawal, whom we lovingly call auntie. So we had I just started adoring them, because the way they used to work in the school for the children, and in a city like Kanpur wherein we don't have much of opportunities, there I saw Preeti ma'am and auntie working for the school wholeheartedly, not looking for their own interest, not looking for their own development as far as the money is or financial this thing is concerned. But the main motto of them was to make the children learn a lot and introduce new things into the school. So during the online classes, you must have seen so many co-curricular activities being introduced through the co-curricular team, and a lot of things, those Biz Chronicles, lot of speakers coming all over the world, all over India, all over the country, coming to you on one platform and delivering their own experiences, their own way of living, and as to how they attained such a big height. So you learned a lot of these things, lot of things by coming in contact with such people, and a wonderful exposure you had during these COVID times, when you were all locked in your homes. You were locked in your homes, but you were having a survey, you were having a journey around the world. So that was all claps to the management.